Helo, IM NBC News 7, and today, IM going to marke af FAKVHS opbæring 2 Toy Story By Vi plus Pictures Inc. from 1986. Real, not fakke. Ja.
2 hours later.
Yes. I made af FAKVHS opbæring 2 Toy Story By Vi plus Pictures from 1986. Real, not fakke. Ja.
NBC News 7, did just pay out at you med af FAKVHS opbæring 2 Toy Story By Vi plus Pictures from 1986. Real, not fakke.
Oh no. IT's nye Guardian.
Let me see. Oh my god. NBC Newsy. I can't believe you made a fake VHS opening to Toy Story Evil Plus Pictures Incorporated from 1986. Real, not fake. That opening is strongly fake. Toy Story was made by Disney and Pixar, not Evil Plus Pictures Incorporated. And it was released in 1995, not 1986. I'm so disappointed in you. You are grounded for 80 days. Go to bed right now. Thank you.
At lige Asti still have ny computer.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I'm also taking away your computer as a punishment for the rest of your life.
Oh come on. Leave is not fair.
NBC Newsy, go to sleep.